Aloha! So we have been talking about word families or rhyming words. That means they have the same ending sound. So what I wanted to do is I wanted to look at the in word family. So if we were to blend this, we would say in. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to look at these letters and we're going to decide, does it rhyme or not rhyme? So if it rhymes, we're going to put it under the check. And if it does not rhyme, we're going to put it under the X. So at home, if it rhymes, I want you to go, yes. If it does not rhyme, I want you to go, eh. Okay? So one of the things when we're trying to think of words that rhyme, when we're picking letters, do you see how this letter is red? That is a vowel. A, E, I, O, U are vowels. And so we don't want to pick another vowel. We want to pick one of the other letters, a consonant. So right away, I see a red letter. Do we want to pick a vowel when we're rhyming? We don't want to because it makes a totally different sound. So I'm going to take my vowel and I'm going to put it on. Nope, that does not make a rhyming word. Okay, let's look at our next one. I'm going to take this letter. Do you guys know what that letter is? Let's practice just like we did, blending. In, thin. Is that a real word? Yes, it is. So we're going to put it under, yes, that is a real word. Thin, in, rhyming words. Okay, let's look at our next one. W, I, n. Let's say it again. W, I, n. Let's blend it. W, I, n. Win. Win. Could we use that in a sentence? I like to win. Yes, that makes sense. So let's see. In, thin, win. Those are all rhyming words. So win goes in our word family. And this is a word we're probably not as familiar with. Let's see. Yin, 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 yin. I can't think of a sentence with that word. So I'm going to say, So those are some rhyming words. Now let's take a peek. One of these does not belong. Let's listen for the rhyming words. We have a picture of a pin, tin, bin, rag. Which one does not belong? Pin, tin, bin, rag. Rag does not sound like it is rhyming with the rest of these words. So this one does not belong. So I am going to write my X because it does not belong. Let's take a peek at the next one. Okay, I have a tag, a bin, a pin, and a fin. Which one do you think does not belong? Does not rhyme with in? Tag, bin. Bin, pin. Pin, fin. To me, it sounds like all three of these rhymes. And the tag ends in ag. That does not rhyme. So let's look at our next page. Now, we've done a little bit of sound boxes or sound chunks. So we know that in, I-N, is the part that stays the same for the rhyming words. So these are some word chunks. And what I want to show you is we are going to find the missing first sound. So let's take a peek at this first one. This is a picture of a tin. So what do you think goes here? In. Let's stretch it. Ready? T, in. What do you think that first sound is? T, t, t. A T for tin. So I'm going to come and write my T. for 10. 10 is spelled T-I-N or T-I-N. Let's bring you a little closer. The next one is a fin. So I know I have in, but what does fin begin with? Let's stretch it. In. What's that first sound? What do you think it is? If you said Firefighter Fred's letter F, that is the first sound. Now, let's look at this bottom part. We have the word pin and the word bin. So let's look at pin. Let's stretch it. Do your hands like Miss Farrell. P-I-N. Let's stretch that first sound. P, 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 p. What letter says P? The letter P for pin. And last but not least, over here we have bin. Ready? Hold your hands together. B-I-N. Let's try it again and pause on that first sound. B, 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 b. If you said the letter B for bouncy bin, you got it correct. B-I-N, bin. So we are going to do in Seesaw today a little activity. The first thing you're going to do is you are going to match the picture to the word. So our pictures are fin, bin, tin, pin. You're going to need to listen for the first sound and match it to the word that has the same first sound. Then I want you guys to practice saying how to spell it. You can either use the tools and you can write it, or you can use the microphone and tell me. So again, the pictures are pin, P-I-N, tin, T-I-N, fin, F-I-N, and bin, B-I-N. So you're going to either spell it for me or use the microphone and record it, what you would write. And that's all for Letterland for today.